When his wife skedaddled, a disgruntled husband thought it was a great idea to have federal agencies search for her. The government disagreed, resulting in the case United States versus Rodgers. Larry Rodgers called the Kansas City office of the Federal Bureau of Investigation to report that his wife had been kidnapped. FBI agents spent 100 hours investigating the case before discovering that the wife had, in fact, simply left her husband. 2 weeks later, Rodgers called the Kansas City office of the Secret Service and reported that his estranged girlfriend was planning to assassinate the president. The service investigated and discovered that the woman in question was Rodgers' wife, who'd fled to Arizona to escape Rodgers. Rodgers confessed that he called both federal agencies to get them to find his wife. The United States charged Rodgers with making false, fictitious, or fraudulent statements to federal agencies in violation of 18 U.S.C. Section 1001. The district court concluded that the investigation of kidnappings and the protection of the president weren't matters within the jurisdiction of the FBI and the Secret Service, as the term was used in the law. It dismissed the complaint. On appeal, the Eighth Circuit noted that in Friedman v. United States, it had held that the term jurisdiction encompassed the power to make awards, grant privileges, or promulgate administrative determinations, but excluded the authority to conduct an investigation without the power to compel action. It concluded that the false statements made here weren't covered because the agencies lacked the power to adjudicate rights or create a final disposition of the problem. Though the circuit court noted that other appellate courts rejected Friedman's reasoning, it chose to affirm the district court's dismissal. The United States Supreme Court granted cert to resolve the conflict among the circuits.